We want our customers to be successful. This means they must achieve their production goals, and then, for us, it is a good machine. My name is Sonia Burkert. I am a lifecycle product manager here in the service department at Schubert, and I am responsible for both technical and digital services. OEE is the key performance indicator in production, and it includes aspects of quality, availability, and performance. The most important aspects in terms of availability for our customers are a long machine lifespan. We want them to have minimal downtime, and with the help of our digital services, we want to provide the customer with machine data. The big advantage for our customers is that they get everything from a single source. We know our machines, they have low wear and a low failure rate, and through the combination of our robotic kinematics and our vision system, the customer can increase their productivity. But none of us wants broken cookies in their packaging. And with our scanners, we can collect all the product data and provide this data to the customer on our care portal. And with that, they no longer need manual quality control.